Hey, what's up, traders? This is GBPUSD. I'm still quite bullish, and I think we still can get something around the 50, 60 pips in this week because that's going to be the end of the weekly range. And I think the market still has the power to make this move. So, what's going on here? We had the reaction on the weekly daily zone and bottom of the channel. So since then, as I predicted, the price has moved on the top of this channel. Then we had the correction to the middle band of the channel and the reaction on the 4 hour zone. Since here we had the break of this 4 hour trend, and we are just heading to test this daily trend line again and the daily zone and the top of the channel, right? So if you look at it from the perspective of the range and the power where the market still can move, it still can make in this week something around the 60, 70 pips, right? So I think we still can get reach the top of this zone and of this trend line in here, right? So yeah, of course it can make this as well, but I think that's gonna be the question for the next week. So what to do now, and why I'm thinking this? So let's try to examine it by the COT. If you look to the COT data, we can see that the banks actually still has a quite bigger shorts than longs, right? But we must look to the little bit bigger perspective, or let's say bigger picture, and let's look what has been happening here in the end of the November. In end of the November, the banks had 90k shorts, right? So as the time goes, end of the November was somewhere around here. It's behind this chart. So here on this bottom they had somewhere something around 90k shorts. Since then the price has moved higher, and look what was happening with the shorts are declining, right? So in this move, in this correction, and here they actually has closed almost 50% of their shorts positions. The lately we can see 44k, which is reported in here. Since then, we don't have the data for this. So what's probably happened in here? Now let's look to the longs positions. They had some bigger longs, then they closed it. And since then, again, from 29, 20, and to the 36, right? So it's actually growing. So even though this is very important, because some people looking to the COT data and they look, oh, okay, 44k shorts, 36k longs, it's bearish. Well, but this is the divergence, and there is happening that actually the shorts are decreasing in the decreasing trend and longs are in the increasing. So that still didn't happen yet, that flip which will show us the bullish tendencies, but we are seeing that it's actually happening, because we can see that from the being exposure 79% to the shorts, we dropped to the 55%, right? So that's definitely bullish, only it's not seen yet in the COT, which is actually the best situation, because when it's something not really obvious, there is a big chance that it will happen, right? If it's something very obvious, most likely, they will manipulate the market, so that doesn't happen. So yeah, I'm thinking the price still has a room to move here, because we are bullish in the terms of the COT. The banks are bullish, but right now how they gonna play that, right? So they just violated these highs, so that's a lot of good signals for the breakout traders. So what I'm thinking is, might we will get a retest of this zone or this zone, and from here we will get that move. So let's see, we have a Wednesday, and yesterday was the data released. So where is it? Let me bring it. Right, so here was the data released, and they probably bring some longs positions, so we will probably see that in the next week. So these two zones, I'm actually in the position. I must say that I have entered it in here, and I'm waiting if the price will come lower, and I will add more positions, right? Because I'm trading relatively with very small positions relatively to my account, so don't have the problem like this. I'm definitely not looking for the perfect entry here with very small stop loss here. That's I don't like it. I know some traders can do it maybe, but it's it comes with a lot of losses, but with the bigger wins I'm more comfortable to have a small positions, building slowly. I mean, I don't want to send free lots in here. I better put 0.12, 0.12 it's my position current, 0.12, 0.12, 0.12. So I will build my positions as if it makes the retracements, right? If not, I will simply take a profit with just that one. So I like this safety. That's kind of what I'm doing with the trading, because I feel I can analyze the market easily. I can predict targets. But what's the most difficult thing is the timing the market exactly, right? Because what mostly happen, we can analyze something, we know price is going here, but the manipulations, boom, they take it down and then they could take it. That's all can happen, because imagine we trading against the banks, and they have all the money on the world, so they can do that. So yeah, definitely these two levels are good. I'm already in positions. This is where I think we could go. 1.35.5 or something like that, 1.355. That could be the target for this week. All right, my friends, bye bye.